It's like 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I really let myself sleep in. But now I'm gonna go get ready, and I have a bunch of errands to run, so I'm gonna do that today. Yeah, I'm gonna go get ready for that. So I kind of did my makeup, still a little concealer and mascara. Just put my hair up in a really loose, messy ponytail. So earrings, I just have on my regular hoops that I have from Kohl's and my Kate Spade earrings. So yeah. For my outfit, I'm just wearing this like Find Me Love CMNH t-shirt, some Nike shorts, and my Birks. So that's just kind of my casual look for today. Yes, I know this is wrinkly, but luckily it's so humid outside that kind of steams it. So I just got a package in the mail, and it's from Madewell, and it's just a pair of shorts that I got because I like how their shorts are long and kind of cover a lot more than the other shorts. So that's what I got. And they're really cute. I really like Madewell products. They're made very well and cute. So these are the shorts I got. I just got these cute denim shorts. And they're a little distressed. No distressing on the back, but I like the wash. I like a medium light wash in my denim. So these will be really nice for back to school, definitely. So yeah, that's what I got in the mail today. And of course, to no one's surprise, I am ending my day with Dr. Neff. I'm being joined for breakfast by little Miss Nora. Do you like Dr. Neff, Nora? Nora, do you like Dr. Neff? No. Okay. That makes just you. So I just updated my planner, and this is just kind of an overview. I have it all throughout these pages as well, but also did it on here because I have a very busy month. So I'm about to go and run my errands, but I have my hydro flask full of water. That way I can stay cooled off because it is so hot outside. So I'm at my first stop of the day, and that is Walmart because I have to get some supplies for school. So I got what I needed from Walmart, and now I am just going to Sam's Club to get some gas. So that's my next stop on my to-do list. So I just got out of Ulta, and I'm poor again because it was expensive. So I just got back from running my errands, and I'm going to show you guys what I got. So from Ulta, I got the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Vanilla. And I got the Tarte Maneater Mascara because that's my all-time favorite mascara and I need a refill of it. And I got the CeraVe, the Renewing Salicylic Acid Cleanser. So that's what I got from Ulta today. Then from Walmart, I got this pink shirt that I'm gonna crop and wear for pink out for work week because I didn't want to mess up one of my Find Me shirts. Then I got some of these little post-it little things. What are these called? The little flags, so I can mark certain parts of my notebook. Then I got this little 16 gigabyte flash drive. That way I can store all of my schoolwork and not have it all on my computer taking up a bunch of storage. So that's everything I got while running my errands today. I just ate a Go-Gurt, and now I'm gonna try to find something to watch on YouTube. So that's what I'm doing now since I'm done with all my errands. So lately I've been trying to journal a lot more, so I just got done doing some journaling. So this is the journaling I did today. Just some little prompted questions. So I just cooked dinner, and I just have some steak and some vegetables, and I'm having another Dr. Neff. So I'm gonna eat my dinner while I watch some Ugly Betty. So I kept wondering where my cat is. Turns out she's on one of my big pillows. I've yet to put the covers on. She's all curled up and sleeping. So now I'm just having some of my favorite ice cream, and I'm gonna try to find something else to watch on my Fire Stick. My night with a movie, watching Stick It. So now I'm getting ready for bed, and I'm gonna be trying my new cleanser, the CeraVe Renewing Salicylic Acid Cleanser. So I'm gonna be trying that out tonight. I just finished washing my face. I liked it. Definitely think I used a little too much, like a little goes a long way for this product, I feel like, but overall I liked it. It makes my, guaranteed, lighting is horrible in here, but made my skin look nice and clean and cleansed and nice and glowy. And I feel like it targeted my acne a lot, so I liked it. So I'm going to bed now. And what the heck? Okay, I'm watching some YouTube, but like, Lord knows what happened. Okay. Also, why the heck we got like Chucky up in here? That's not what I want to see before bed.